Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix to avoid interruptions to your subscription and purchases. Verify your payment informations and your Apple ID. If you're using any iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device and you're having the issue that you are seeing the pop-up message to avoid interruption to your subscription and purchases, verify your payment information first. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first, you have to double check your network connection, that you are connected to a strongest network connection. After that, you have to disconnect with the VPN. If you're connected, so open settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Or if you're connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that. And after doing that, you just have to go back from here, and then you have to tap on the App Store and then tap on your Apple ID in the top right corner. Then select your account from here, and then you just have to change your country or region to fix the issue. So select country or region option, and then you have to select the country or region in which you are living. So once you have selected, you just have to tap on your country or region option name from here, and then select the continue option. Then tap on agree in the top right corner, and from here you just have to add your payment method. You can add your credit or debit card or PayPal or mobile phone, or if you don't have any payment method, so you can select none option from here. And after that, you have to enter these informations about yourself, and after entering these information, you just have to select the done option in the top right corner, and your country or region will be successfully changed. And after changing your country or region, your issue will be almost fixed. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue to avoid interruption to your subscription and purchases. Please verify your payment information and your Apple ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.